It is possible to cook bacon in the microwave without any special cookware. I'll show you how. Drape the bacon over the glass without touching the bacon to the plate. Half goes in, half goes out. And the fifth piece, and we've got a glass that's covered in bacon. Now, as you know, bacon splatters everywhere, so we're going to drape an opened napkin over the whole thing. Very carefully place it in the microwave. We will microwave this for 1.5 minutes. Every microwave is different, so we'll be checking it after our 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes, it looks like this on the outside and this on the inside. We'll cook it for a little longer. Once it's done, just leave it in the microwave to cool for a minute. Now that it's cooled, we can unveil the bacon. The grease is away from the bacon, and it's time to enjoy the bacon. Now, some of it I'll enjoy on this sandwich, but some of it I'm enjoying right now. So easy and so good.